Good morning, you guys. Today is day 3 of our Pirates kit. We are going to work on memory game. So you should have it in a bag. Dump the bag out. Bunch of little cards. Let's just take a look first, okay? So you can lay them out in front of you. Not very good at sleight of hand, so nothing will go missing.
That's right. Nothing sneaky today, right, Miss Chrissy?
No. Let's see. We've got trying to put them in order. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I'm gonna have to go over here. 6, 7, and 8. Now, I will stop you real quick, parents. If this is too hard to match and deal with all of these cards, take away a couple of sets.
Yeah.
Okay? This is more advanced when you use all of them. You can use even 3 to start with.
Yep, exactly. You can work
Okay?
your way up. No
work
worries.
your way up.
No worries.
But I just wanted them to lay them out and see that each card, there's 2 of, and they each have a different number and a different amount of pictures. So 1 has 1 map, 2 has 2 hats, 3 has 3 ships, 4 has 4 parrots, because why not? We're pirates. We're going to have a parrot with us. 5 wheels, 6 anchors, 7 treasure chests, and 8 coins. All right? So you should have a matching one of each. And again, if it is too hard, take some of them away.
Yep.
All right? Kids, once you have what you're working with, flip them over. Flip them all. Flip, 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 flip. We're not going to flip them back over yet.
We gotta
mix them up.
Mix those up.
Mix them up. Don't cheat. This is great skill. All right, mix them all up. Miss Christy even has problems with this. All right, now line them up any way you want. I like to line them up in rows because it's easier for Miss Christy's brain.
That's right.
So let's see what we got here. All right, so I came up with 4 rows and 4 columns. Rows. All right, so you might have a smaller amount. All right, you can play it by yourself. You can play it with somebody. I'm gonna play it by myself, but I'll tell you when somebody else would go. All right, so I'm gonna flip it over, and then I'm gonna guess. All right.
Oh
my gosh,
that was
you
lucky.
see that?
Woo, that
All right,
never happened.
That never happens.
That is
but
lucky,
I'm gonna
lucky.
take that as a win.
Oh yeah.
And you guys saw I did not cheat. So I'm gonna take them, put them together, put them to the side. So that's my stack.
There you go.
I made a match. If you're playing with somebody else, it is now their turn. Okay? So they would flip.
Got a map. Okay.
And flip. Not a match.
Nope.
So now they lose their turn. You try to remember. Flip them back over. So 1 and 5. Ooh. All right, now it's my turn again. All right. 1, 5, 7, 6. Ooh. That's getting hard. 1, 5, 7, 6. 1, 5, 7, 6. All right.
Oh, where was that? Where was it?
1, 5, 7, 6. Okay, so 1.
Woo! Good remembering.
All right. So I now have 2 stacks. So the person with the most stacks at the end
Wins the game.
wins the game. Oh, see, that fast I forgot. I shouldn't have talked. All right, 4.
Okay.
We had 6. 1 something. I'm gonna say here. Yes.
All right.
Okay. All right.
Oh, Miss Chrissy, you had to flip them over first. Well, now we know how to play the game correctly next time, right?
Whoops.
Whoops-a-daisies.
Whoops. All right, I'm gonna move my cards.
Ooh, that's like a whole other step of a challenge. I like that.
Okay. And actually, I'm gonna go like this. Might be easier to remember.
Oh, man.
All right.
No.
5, 8.
Not a match. Wait a minute.
5.
Where was that 5?
Bam.
Oh, yeah. There it is.
All right. Let's see. I'm racking them up over here. How about let's go middle. 3 and 4.
4.
Oh, didn't I flip over the 4?
Or was that the same one?
Oh, it might have been the same one.
Gotta
All
think,
right.
think.
Oh, shoot. Yeah. No, that
Nope.
was 3. 3 and 8.
All right. Flip them over. Try again.
4.
4. There it is. Okay.
All right. Okay. Getting down to the nitty gritty here. Nope.
You see, kids, this game is just as hard for grown-ups as it is for you.
It's great.
It's
for Miss
great for everybody's brain.
All right.
Everybody's brain needs this game.
And then you can time yourself, too. See how long it takes.
There we go. We got it.
Goodness.
Woo!
Boom,
There they
boom,
are.
boom.
Got it.
All right. All right. So that's one way you can do it. You can also take and separate the stacks. Just something different that you can do. And you can have, especially the younger ones, the 2 3s, you can just use one set of the cards, have them mix them up, and draw a card, okay? And then try to put them in order. Still a game to them.
Oh, yeah.
It's still, oh, I got 2 of them on that one. All right, so they'll just try to put it in order. 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This must be 8. 8. Okay. If you have a die, because I know a lot of our kits have it, you could take away 2. Okay, and you can roll the dice and find the card that has the same amount and have them count. Little smaller of a skill set, but
That
still
works.
we need it. We need it. All right, you guys, that is all I have for today. Make sure you put this back in your bag, back in your pirate box. That way you can pull it out on a rainy day. That's all I got. Happy memory game.
We'll
All
see
right.
you guys next time.
All right, bye.